Okay, Ojibwe language lesson here. Looking at this here. First one is a pattern where an animal lives. So as you notice there, you can say an eagle, gnu, wenda, gijagonga. The eagle lives in the sky. And if you want an animal that lives on the land, makwa, wenda, a king. He lives on the land, on the earth. And then that second sentence there is about, we went to a feast yesterday. Gigi, we kange min, Ogimaagaabaw. That's I need a wind animate and transitive conjugation independent mode. Notice that ni and that min for Nina wind. And gi is past tense. We kange is the root word to have a feast. Ogimaagaabaw is yesterday. Waigaringa miji wake. What did you all eat? That's directed, that's changed conjunct subjunctive form. That ga is past tense. It's the changed form of gi. It goes into ga in that sense. Miji wake is transitive inanimate. And that wake is a subjunctive towards ginoa. Waganin is what? In a subjunctive form, changed conjunct form. Most questions are what you call the changed subjunctive and changed conjunct form that are not yes or no questions with the ina or na question marker. So you would answer, what kind of meat did you eat? So you can say, Mozo we ask, Digi miji ben. We ate moose meat, Mozo. Meaning moose, we ask, meat. That's inanimate. Digi miji ben. That's Nina when the past tense we ate. Miji is to eat something inanimate. Amo is to eat something animate. That's a different verb. You'd use that if you're saying you're going to eat bannock or certain kinds of berries and different things. You would use that that transitive animate verb, but in this instance you use the transitive inanimate. Notice that ne in min. That's the independent form of Nina wind. Mi to eat something inanimate. That's the root word. That gi is past tense. So there's you have to understand all these suffixes and in order to or affixes, because there's prefixes and suffixes are affixes. You have to know all these things in order to make sentences along with the words. Hamsa.